Hello guys, and welcome to Programming Knowledge. In the previous video we learned about how to create menu option in a Tkinter window. For example, the one which I've created here in the previous video. I'll just show you the output. So this is the menu field which we created with basically two functionalities. So for about, it is showing the message box, and for file exit it will exit the window. So we'll move on to the next step, that is creating a window within a window. So for example, after a successful registration, I want to redirect or get a new window, and which basically is a login window. So after a successful registration, I want a new window about login, that kind of situation. So in here I'll just show you a small demo that how you can create a window within a window in Tkinter, and using another button. So right now there are only two buttons, that is sign up and quit. So for this we'll be using another button, that is a login button, and let's create one right now. So at the bottom, so these are the two, sign up and quit button. Copy one of them and rename it as a login button. So it is not basically a login window I'm making here. I'm just showing a demo that how you can create one using the approach which I'm telling you right now. Okay, so rename the text login, keep it as it is, and for right now there is no command. Okay, and we'll place it at 2 and 8, and the y-axis will be around 60. So 60. So let's see the output. So as you can see, it is in between of this sign up and quit button. Okay, so this is the button which we have created. Now what we'll have to do is create a function which can be used for opening another window. So create a function define and name it as second wind colon, and similarly like the one which we have created, that is a, first of all we need to create a window object, that is when is equal to tk. Okay, then put a title to that second window dot title, and name it as welcome to second window. Okay, now we'll just provide a simple geometry. We'll just provide it at I guess 250 and x 200. So this is like a height and the width, and now we'll just provide a label. We'll just copy, or 1 minute, no problem, we'll just name it label underscore 02 02, okay. Then provide a label. Now when it comes to the second window, you don't have to provide the main root window that is over here, because it's for that main window. Now we are creating entirely new Tkinter window. So for that you need to use the root or the window which is provided over here, which is taken as the parent object for the Tkinter frame, right? Okay, so we'll be using window, comma, now text is equal to registration. So this is basically a label. Sorry for that, I'll just place it inside. Okay, registration successful. Because the spelling is wrong. Okay, or you can just say it as successful. Registration completed. Right, okay, so this looks good. And we'll be providing relief is equal to solid, that is for relief is equal to solid, comma, and we'll just provide font is equal to Arial. I'm mistyping things, right? Okay, so we'll just come over here. We'll just provide a parentheses Arial, then comma 12, comma bold, right? And we'll close that too, and we'll just place it. Just cancel this one, it is creating an obstacle. So place bracket x is equal to 30 and y is equal to 70. So it is a small window, and we also create a small button underscore 02 or 01, whatever you can name it. And we'll just copy the button down from down here. Don't want to type it. Okay, so okay, so second window, right? So just paste it over here, change the position, type it as 80 and 0. Okay, white, okay, no problem. Okay, this is good, this looks good. Okay, so okay, now here we have to change the window to window and just rename it, or you can provide it as demo button, no problem with that. Again, and with okay, so now this looks good. And now we'll just go down to the login button over here and provide that command, comma, command is equal to second win. Okay, so let's run this and see what is the output. Okay, so there is no error right now, and we'll click. So as you can see, This is an entirely new window with a label registration completed and a button demo. So right now there is no functionality to that button, but I'll just provide a simple message box to it. So these are two different window. So for the purpose of advancement to this entire registration form, one can create a registration form with a certain validation and can redirect it to the second window and provide some entry widgets like login name and user password with two entry widgets and a login. So this is a basic idea how you can perform. So these are two different windows. So this is how you can perform one, and I'll just provide a functionality to that button. So let me just type in here command is equal to about maybe. I'll just check whether it is up or down. Yep, it is definitely up, I guess. Okay, so let's see whether it works or not. So login, this is the second button, and let's click onto this demo. So as you can see, it works. So this is the second window, and we have provided a simple function that is a message box to this demo button with a message box, right? So as you can see, this is a basic approach of creating two separate windows from one same window. So over here I have created three: sign up, quit and login, and by clicking login this particular button opens, right? So this is it for this video, guys. If you have any more implementation to this existing approach, you can use it for further advancement, and thanks for watching.